I'm loving this so far. Up, I think I'm gonna add the tiny bit of concealer. And I'm gonna add halo. Add eyelashes or eyeliner because I don't want to mess this up. So I'm gonna take a picture real quick just in case. Alright, now I'm gonna try an eyeliner. And if I mess up, I'm just not gonna put that part in. But okay, I know it kind of looks bad, but we're gonna work with it. Leave it like this, just cause like I actually did a good wing for once, and I'm really proud of myself at the moment. So I bought these eyelashes yesterday, and they're super pretty, and I really enjoyed. They look horrible because they're so long, but like I'll fix that another time. But the fact that I got them on and they don't look too dumb, like wonky. I'm gonna put on some mascara. Okay, anyways, I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cards and they all